Hey guys, so today we're going to be filming a brand new video and I'm so excited because I finally, you guys, have here with the Mint Melt collection from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm so excited to finally show you guys this collection. I've been waiting for this to get to my house for a while now. If you want to see how this look turns out, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I just want to also show you guys that I also am going to be including in this video some other e.l.f. products that I also picked up. This is the Camo CC Cream. This is also a new launch. And I believe these two have been on the market for a while now. This is the Always Fiery Blush. This is one of my favorite blushes. I've actually already tried this. This is the Forever Sun-Kissed Bronzer. And this I also tried like maybe once or twice, but fairly new to my channel because I don't think I've ever talked about it. I'm going to be using the Camo concealers in today's video. So we're going to have a little bit of a full face of e.l.f. So yeah, I kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit of that. Also, how do you guys feel about my little intro moment? I was having a hard time like coming up with a cute little intro that's just very quick and easy, that's just to the point. And I just wanted to show you guys my little name, so I hope you guys like that little intro. Guys, so we're gonna first start off with primer. I already have my brows on, so I just want to start putting on my beautiful base makeup. This is the Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. Apply evenly to face prior to makeup application. Apply and wait 30 seconds before applying makeup. Beauty tip: use on clean fingers to pat product into the skin. With the warmth of the fingers will help the product melt into the skin for an even application. I heard it is a dupe for the Milk Primer, which I'm honestly happy about because I haven't bought the full size yet. This is like the size lower than this. So, because I was just trying it out, I had never tried it before and I actually do like this. So, but I heard this is a dupe for it, so let's just see. This is a cooling face primer and I don't remember what it said on the box. I threw it away already, so she's gone. I'm also on a different tripod today. Y'all are on 6 makeup drawers. I broke 3 tripods this week. Let's not even get it. We're gonna first go in with about a pump and a half. Just want to show you guys the color of this. Okay, that smells really good. Really good. Oh god. Okay. Okay, talk about glowy, hydrating skin. Oh my god. This feels like really good on my skin. And the smell, so it smells good, but I'm like, I don't know if anyone out there is gonna be like bothered by the scent. I'm trying to figure out if you guys are like, if anyone is sensitive to smells, if it would bother you. I'm very sensitive to smells, but it's not something that bothers me. So just letting you guys know. And also, it definitely does feel like the Milk makeup grip for sure. This one's like very tacky. It's giving me like a really nice like hydrating glowy look. Like, y'all see that? I like this. Okay, and now we're gonna be going in with the Camo CC Cream. I tried this out a few times as well, but not like on camera or anything. I really wanted to show you guys. So I have the shade Light in 280N, and this is a color correcting full coverage natural finish, and this is also a dupe for the IT Cosmetics, but we're not gonna be talking about the dupes. Pretty good, you know, CC cream. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's already thin after like one use, so that's kind of annoying. So just gonna use about a pump and a half because it's very full coverage. You're gonna go in with this sponge here from e.l.f. as well. I don't remember which this one is called, but we're just gonna dip into that. Yeah, look at the way that's making my skin look. Like, this is like before, or this is before and then after. Like, I feel like you guys can definitely see a huge difference. Also, my skin isn't too bad right now. I've been like taking care of my skin, but you can definitely tell like I have a little bit more redness and discoloration on this side. And with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, these have already launched, so I'm not gonna talk about them too much, but I am using the shade Light Sand and then Fair Beige for brightening. My base makeup, oh my god, I really love the way my skin looks. It's such a pretty finish. Like everything, literally, the concealer, the primer, the foundation, everything looks really nice, and I really like the way everything feels. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of the e.l.f. makeup set Makeup Mist and Set. Oh my god, I was like, wait a minute, is this a makeup remover? No, it's a setting spray. I'm just going to use that just to hydrate the skin. It's a matte. This is a matte finish, by the way. But really good for like those, just to air off your skin. So I'm just going to go do the rest of my face, and then I'll come back for bronzer and blush. So I'm just going to do like a little quick set just to set my face, and then I'll come back on for camera. I already have my bake on, whatever, but I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my blush and bronzer. So I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics bronzer. This is in the shade Always Sunkissed. Okay, and this is the little the shade that I'm going in with. e.l.f. Mineral Powder Brush. This is from e.l.f., like I said, obviously. And I'm just going to use this to pounce. Is that a real word? Is that a real word? I think it is. But we're just going to go here and bounce on, apply some bronzer. This is actually a really good, I feel like it's very pore filling. If I don't know what it is, maybe it's the translucent powder I'm using right now. But when I used this the other day, it was like very smoothing. Like I was like, wait a minute, is she supposed to be like that? Applying the blush, and this blush is already, it's been out for a while now. I think the bronzer came out after this for sure, because I've had this for a few months. But this is the Always Fibery Blush. This is the shade. It is very, very pigmented. So let me show you guys, like it's very, very pigmented. So when I tell you guys very lightly, I'm talking like very light. I'm gonna go in here with an e.l.f. blush brush, and it's very light. You just need to dip, that's it, because this is such a pigmented blush. Like you don't want it to be overpowering. Such a pretty color, but I also, this is a little too much for me like right now, so I'm just gonna like lighten it up. I love blush. Let me get that. I love I usually go on like 4 or 6 times like dip wise, but today I'm gonna keep it very light because I want to focus mainly on the eyeshadow, and then if I need more, I'll apply some more later on. Start moving into the eyes. I just want to show you guys, these are the palette Mint Melt eyeshadows. This is the Mint to Be one, and then this one is Chocolate Mint, which obviously it's because it has the nude shades in there. This is how they look. Super pretty shades. Love the tones. This is my first time trying out this formula and these little quad moments, so I'm excited to try these out. I heard really good things about them. The Mint Melt No Budge eyeshadow stick, and I was really intrigued by this because I don't really have anything like this. A pretty color. I'm just gonna do a little swatchity swatch. Ooh, this is actually kind of creamy, or it is creamy. Look at that. This is very creamy. Bit of eye primer. This is just the ABH one. This is the one I've just been using for a while now, and I just really want to add like a really nice base color, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did watch 2 or 3 reviews on this collection already, because when I tell you guys, I was so excited for this collection. Like I just couldn't bear, like I love mint, like I just love that color so much that I really wanted to have this, and I just couldn't wait to have it or like even talk about it. So the first thing I saw when I started seeing reviews on it, I think it was like 2 or 3 days ago, I started like binge watching them. I think I watched like only like 3 or 4, maybe 5. I want to let you guys know I did already kind of already know how they are, but I personally haven't tried them. Like this is my first time trying out these formula or this eyeshadow kind of moment. So if you guys have tried these before, then you guys are probably already familiar with them. I've never tried them, and I really wanted to try. That's why I picked up both, because I wanted to try the neutrals in here. Not today. I really just want to play with the mint shades, because obviously it's like a mint vibe. So I'm going to be playing mainly with only this one, and probably using maybe one of the shimmer shades in there. I just want to swatch each shade for you guys like live. This is the colors. I'm like, those are the colors. And probably not the best swatches. They're all right there. Very light. Videos I saw, they were very light, and they were not as pigmented as I was hoping for. But if I'm going to be honest with you guys, the way the videos I saw, they weren't applying it the way I would apply eyeshadow. Most of them were applying the lighter shade first. I personally would apply the darker shade first. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. And then you guys go from there, how you guys are going to want to use this shadow. So I'm going to be first dipping into that deeper shade that has a ton of fallout and kickback. So if you guys, just to let you guys know. We're just going to keep packing this on. So far, it's such a pretty color. I mean, like I said, I really love this shade Mint. This isn't minty. It's like obviously like a shade 2 or 3 darker. And I'm glad it's not too emerald green, because I hate that color. So it's not like emerald green. So I'm glad it's like a deeper mint. You know what I mean? It's not like a straight up green. So that was that applied. I'm gonna go in with another coat. So this is my 3rd time building this shade which I'm not like mad at. I usually build my shadows anyways. I like a good pigmented eye. We're gonna start bringing that in right here into the crease just a little bit. Don't usually add shadow right here, but we're getting risky tonight. So you guys, if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, make sure to go follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to reach 20K. So go check me out, Brandon LUXXE. Going in with the second color, which is that really pretty mint shade. Use that now to blend it. And as you guys can see, now you guys can definitely see that lighter shade pop through because we have that deeper shade laid down, and now you can go over that. You should be able to have a nice blend. The thing for today's video is I don't know if I want to do dramatic or natural lashes. Like, oh my god, I don't know what to do. And like I was saying earlier, I would suggest you guys use the deeper shade first, then go in with the lighter shade. I feel like going in with the lighter shade and then applying the deeper shade on top of that, I feel like it's just not the way to go. But if you guys want to do it this way and then go in on top of that with the deeper shade and add like a layer on top of that, then that would make a little bit more sense, because then you're just building in that contrast again. But like I said, y'all do y'all. I just wanted to show you guys how I apply them, because from the reviews I was seeing, you know, it wasn't, I'm not bashing anyone, no shade, I'm just saying the way they were applying it is not the way I apply it. So I just wanted to show you guys the way I apply the eyeshadows, because from them there was like their reviews were very negative for the shadows, and I don't think it was the shadows, I think it was just the way they applied them. And again, no shade, I just wanted to let you guys know that's how I was feeling. Now this is time for the No Budge eyeshadow, and I'm kind of like, I'm not scared, I just really want to see how this is going to apply. And I want to apply this as like a crease color. Oh, you know what? I think this is really going to work, guys. This looks bomb. Oh my god, I didn't even film on TikTok. Let's film this TikTok. Girl, if y'all aren't following my TikTok, get into it. I'm like, forget the TikTok. I'm just going to like have to film it later, but I just wanted to apply this shade. That one was like really good. Like I was honestly not expecting that to be as pigmented as it was on my eyes, because on my hand it wasn't like the most pigmented. But I will say that was really nice the way to apply it. This also underneath my eyes here, because I'm really digging this eye look. I wonder if you can put these in your waterline. Can you put these in your waterline? Let me know in the comments, you guys, if you can. Because if I can, let me know, and I would definitely like put these in waterline. I just don't really want to chance it right now. I'm gonna go in with a little mix of the two, a little bit of the deeper shade, a little bit more of the deeper shade, honestly, and I'm just gonna like go under here. Guys, I love that eyeshadow cream stick, like for sure. That cream stick is super pretty. I'm just hoping it sets. From what I'm seeing right now, doesn't look like it's something that's going to set on its own, because I already see a little crease moment, but that's okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in to that shade again. I'm just gonna, ooh, not that one. And I'm just gonna go in with that one right here, and I'm just gonna use that. Let's see if that works, because if it doesn't, then we have a whole nother issue. Okay, this is literally the same shade as the, like this, that middle shade. So if you guys are wanting to either pick either or, I totally suggest you guys picking up that cream eyeshadow stick though, if you guys are wanting to try out this collection, because I think it would be a really good base for everything to sit on. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, just so I can make this easier for you guys. And then once I think I'm done as far as e.l.f. products, but once I'm done with the eyes, I think I'll come on here for a lip. I'm just gonna apply the rest of my face and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so that is the end of this look. I decided to pop on some Lily Lashes Miami, and I decided not to do a shimmer today because I'm just not really feeling one. But you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, you guys. I know you guys probably want me to use a shimmer in here, and I'm gonna just use this little shimmer right here. Just gonna pop this in my inner corner. I feel like I need something in there. A little bit of that lighter shade. I'm just gonna pop that in the inner corner as well. So now I'm just gonna talk about my favorite products from this whole collection. I definitely love the cooling face primer. This is actually gonna be one of my favorites. I can already tell you, because I'm a huge critic when it comes to primers. I know when it's not and when it's not gonna work. I already know this is gonna be one of my favorite primers for a while. For the Mint Melt eyeshadow, I really do like this, but I will have to say this one, the shade right here, is a little bit too light and like a little bit more dusty. Honestly, like you don't even see it. So I wish that formula, or at least this formula, was a little bit more pigmented, kind of like this one. If these are the same formula, then I'm probably just hallucinating, but for this shade at least, it was a little bit dustier and like lighter. And I don't want to call it dusty as in a bad shade. It was just, as it was less pigmented than anything that I used today. I did not use the chocolate mint palette. I did not do anything with it. I might just do another look with this on another Instagram reel or something. So make sure to go check me out on Instagram, because I might just be posting more looks with it. Star of the show for me, honestly, because I did use this all over the eye. This was the e.l.f. Mint Melt No Budge eyeshadow stick, and this is in the shade, I didn't even tell you the shade, Mint For You. And this I also have in my waterline, which I know I asked you guys if this was safe for your waterline. Still, let me know. I decided to take a risk on it because I needed a waterline shade, and the one I had was not working for me. And I took it as a sign that I probably should use this. And I love the way it turned out. It was really nice. I think it really left a nice little like brightening effect. As far as the CC cream goes, so good. This is something you guys definitely need to check out if you guys haven't checked it out already, or you guys are wanting to try out something it's full coverage, but it's very light on your skin. You can wear this every day. Like, this is something I know my mom would love, and she does not like heavy makeup. So this is something I know you guys would love. My grandma would probably love this too. This is just such a good universal product that everyone I think will love. So, oh, you weren't gonna tell me there was lip gloss on my teeth. Thank you for not telling you guys. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you guys are wanting to see another look with the Mint For You, or what is it called? The chocolate mint palette. And I might do a little, I don't think I'll do it on here, but I might include this in a tutorial. So if you guys want to see a little tutorial on this, make sure to go check me out on Instagram, and I'll definitely have that out for you guys on there. Give it a big thumbs up and comment down below any video suggestions you have for me, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye guys.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait